You're going to like this hen very much, my friend, because this is bred from the mother of Landos. Special bird in your loft. Mother to Landos, new Landos, special red bird from our Sedna bloodline. But also this pigeon's father is the Croatian. The Croatian, the very special bird, winning in the finals of the Zagreb race in Croatia 2019, and already father to many one loft race winners. Very special color, very nice hen, very soft feathers, good quality bird. Fits to any cock of any type. It's nice middle size. Good luck.